Mural Whiteboard Tool Honest Review. Links to products and related resources have been added in the description. After extensively testing Mural in real remote collaboration, brainstorming, and product planning workflows, it's clear this platform is designed as a digital whiteboard solution focused on structured collaboration, workshop facilitation, and visual thinking for teams. It competes directly with tools like Miro, but takes a slightly more structured, facilitation-oriented approach to team collaboration. Let's start with the core features. Mural provides an infinite canvas where teams can create sticky notes, diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, and structured frameworks for planning and ideation. One of its strongest features is its emphasis on guided collaboration. It includes built-in facilitation tools such as timers, voting sessions, private mode, and step-by-step workshop templates that help teams run structured meetings rather than just free-form brainstorming sessions. It also offers a large library of templates designed for agile workflows, UX research, strategy mapping, and retrospectives, which makes it easy to start organized sessions quickly. Another key feature is real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to contribute simultaneously, leave comments, and organize ideas visually in a shared space. In real-world usage, Mural performs best for teams that need structure in their collaboration process, rather than completely open-ended brainstorming. Product managers, UX researchers, agile coaches, and facilitators will find it especially useful when running workshops, discovery sessions, or strategic planning meetings. The platform is designed to guide participants through a process, which helps reduce chaos in larger group sessions and keeps discussions focused. However, compared to some competitors, the interface can feel slightly more structured and less flexible for users who prefer completely free-form visual thinking. Another important factor is collaboration quality and performance. Mural handles large teams well and is optimized for remote workshops, especially in enterprise environments where structure and documentation are important. It integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Jira, and other productivity platforms, making it easy to embed into existing workflows. However, as boards grow larger and more complex, performance can sometimes slow down, and navigating dense canvases may require more effort. So who is Mural actually made for? This platform is best suited for product teams, UX/UI designers, agile teams, consultants, educators, and enterprise organizations that run structured workshops and need a guided approach to collaboration. It is particularly strong in environments where meetings need to be productive, repeatable, and well documented. For individuals or small teams looking for casual brainstorming tools, it may feel more structured than necessary. Overall, Mural is a powerful and well-designed digital whiteboard platform focused on structured collaboration and facilitation. It excels at turning meetings into organized, outcome-driven sessions and works especially well in professional team environments. While it may feel more structured than some alternatives and can become heavy in large projects, its strength lies in helping teams think clearly and work efficiently together. If your workflow involves regular workshops, planning sessions, or team facilitation, Mural is one of the most reliable tools available today.